Ever wondered how Swatch became one of the most iconic watch brands in history? Their marketing strategy didn't just sell watches, it revolutionized an entire industry. Stay tuned because I'm going to break down Swatch's genius tactics step by step and showing you how to apply these strategies to your own brand or business. Let's rewind to the 1980s. The Swiss watch industry was struggling. Quartz watch from Japan were dominating the market. Cheaper, more accurate, and mass produced. Swiss watches were considered luxurious, but that also made them expensive and impractical for average buyers. Here's a question for you. Have you ever felt like your product is being outpaced by cheaper competitors? Let me know in the comments and we can discuss this in further. Swatch turned the game on its head by reimagining the traditional watch. Their strategy rested on four pillars: affordability, design, storytelling, and emotional connection. Now, affordability without sacrificing the quality. How is that possible? By innovating production process, Swatch reduced cost while maintaining Swiss precision. This made owning a stylish Swiss watch accessible to everyone. They have unique and fun designs. Swatch watches weren't just timepieces, they were fashion statements. Each collection told a story, appealing to different personalities and lifestyle. What was the storytelling and emotional branding they followed? Swatch sold more than watches, they sold memories and self expressions. Their marketing celebrated individuality and cultural trends, creating scarcity with limited edition. This was their game plan. By introducing limited edition collections, Swatch created urgency and exclusivity, making people want to collect their products. So, how can you use these tactics? Let's break it down into actionable steps. Number one, identify your unique selling point. What's the one thing that make your product or service stand out? Share it in the comment and I'd love to help you refine it. Now, first and most important is incorporating storytelling. Every product has a story. Why did you create it? What does it help? Make that story central to your marketing. Next is engage emotions. Swatch connected with customers by tapping into their feeling of joy, nostalgia, and creativity. Think about how your product can evoke emotions. The next was use scarcity to drive demand. Launch limited time offer or exclusive products to create buzz and urgency. Swatch isn't the only brand doing this well. Look at Nike's collaboration with Starbucks seasonal drinks. They're all about storytelling, emotion, and exclusivity. Can you think of another brand that does this effectively? Drop their name in the comment and we would love to know about it. Here are some challenges you might face while implementing these strategies and how to overcome them. My competitors are cheaper. Do you have this question in your mind? Focus on value and storytelling. Customer often choose connections over cost. The next could be I don't have a big budget. Leverage free platforms like social media to tell your story and build your brand. The next challenge could be what if people don't resonate with my story? Test different narratives. Swatch evolved their campaigns. They found what clicked. Let's make this an actionable step. Grab a notebook and write down your unique product feature, the emotion you want your brand to evoke, and one way you can create exclusivity. Share your answer in the comment and I'll give you a feedback. Swatch didn't sell watches, they sold a lifestyle, an experience, and a connection. You can do the same with your brand by focusing on storytelling, emotions, and innovations. Here are your next steps. Start crafting your brand story today. Use the template we discussed and watch how it transforms your audience's engagement. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video valuable, hit the subscribe button and share this video with anyone who needs it. Let's grow this together, one story at a time. Until then, be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be